I just want to let you guys know, besides the fact that I'm back from my run, I'm so close to doing 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. Like, heels are the enemy of progress. I am this close to hitting 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. The goal obviously is to do 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. I'm like so close. What's up, Shotty? What's up, Shotty? Welcome, guys. Welcome to a day in my life. I am craving, like insanely craving, Avo on toast with a runny egg. But we don't have Avo and we also don't have eggs. Household because of that inconvenience of not having avocado or eggs in the house, I will be going outside. I will be going outside. Chill, Namzamo, chill. I feel like I've been overthinking everything. There is no need for me to think this much. Like, I couldn't need it, to be honest with you. And I just wanna chill, relax, have fun. But I really just wanna dilly-dally, okay? Let me show you what I'm wearing. Kine obsession encha. And it's like rings. What do you mean? Like, I feel like a goddess. One of the things also, besides the fact that I have a new obsession with rings, I have a new obsession of like being put together. I want to be put together every single day. Like, even though I'm not gonna go anywhere, I want to be put together chilling in the house. It's new, guys. So ginaleyo dilemma ukuthi ngihambe ngekhanda or just put on a wig. Earrings, necklace. I have this top, which this is a large. This t-shirt is basically telling me that I'm big. And I have this skirt that I recently inherited. And then I have my trusted shoes with a gold accent over there. Get the eggs. I also need to get hangers because, you know, when I was doing that reset, decluttered and everything. Bengine ironing. And I ironed. Closet is full again. But not like messy, but it's like full again. Anyways, I need hangers. I journaled this morning. My routine is on lock. Like, you can't tell me anything, guys. I've locked down my routine, like locked it. Let's just pack my bag right now. We'll be out of here. What I'm gonna be putting on, it also has this little cute compartment where I can just like add more stuff. It's like a bag on top of another bag. They have these lippies. Literally, my flavor is not here. Let me go on the toe because they might be there. Because I literally have the green one. Okay, wait. I think I see a pink one. Holy grail. I literally, there's only one. There's literally one. That matcha was whack. That matcha, whack. Yes, that matcha was whack. I'm gonna read my book. The breeze is like so amazing. The urge to sleep is huge right now. I don't think I'm gonna go in the water. South Africa land, not our land. Okay, somebody is probably trying to steal your shit. Like I'm on page 29 of Yinka Is Your Husband. It's nice. I've laughed a little. So yeah, that's all I have to say about it so far. I'm just gonna listen to the waves and chill, bruh. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. That was too good. Somebody get the bill. I got the bill. I got it. Look at the step heel that I'm walking. I was just speaking about how much I hate heels. What a beautiful day I just had. Let's go book browsing. Beautiful day. Durban is starting to feel more like Miami, and keep in mind I'm passing here in Malabo in Miami, but it's starting to feel more like Miami. Like back home, took off my rings, I washed my face. Yeah, Shisa. I wanted to tell you guys about my experience. Boom. I went to the beach, which was like fantastic, phenomenal. I spent hours there. It was such a beautiful experience for me. And I fear I may be an iPad kid. Like, I am addicted to my phone or my laptop. About it because it's not healthy. Because I really just immerse myself in the experience of just chilling, listening to the waves, reading my book. I think I did tell you guys that matcha, I'm not a matcha girl. I'm not a matcha nigga. You know what? Saying dealing go experiment and I'm a matcha. Go pindong money getting odarishi matcha ever again. It's cute and all, but ningimake absent kahle futhi nje ningimake ukuthi angikho at all. That matcha was not good. The strawberry tried to hold it together, but it did nothing for me. I will be trying that coffee though. What they did give me though, I will be reusing this cup and iyavaleka iphinde ivuleke ukuthi ufake istro sakho masengizovula. Oh, indivuleke ufake istro sakho. They are famous for that though. Shout out to them. Okay, my battery finished. So I started this book, which is Yinkawe is Your Husband by Lizzie Damilola Blackburn. I am currently on page 66. This book, we're following Yinka. Opened this book with her being at a baby shower. In that baby shower, one of her aunts actually prays for her to find a husband on that year. Emily Henry said, like Bridget Jones, Yinka is a lovable and relatable disaster, and this is so true. It's one of those books where I feel like everybody is against you. Everyone is not against her, but because of how things are happening, everyone seems like to be against her. It's funny and it feels like I am watching a rom-com, and I haven't watched a rom-com in so long. I don't know why that is, because I should be watching people we meet on vacation, but I will be watching it later tonight. I'm so excited. When I was done at the beach, boom, I went to Surf Riders. It's beautiful. The margarita was great. Also, another thing that I really like, this little booth thing where you can pay your 50 rand, then you punch in a code, obviously, to keep your phone safe. Little locker thing. Forward thinkers. I love it. I had such a great experience at Surf Riders. I had such a beautiful day, and then after that I went home. Now all I want to do is just take a really long cold shower because kuyashisa. Get like unready for the night. Basically, just gonna watch people we meet on vacation and have a jolly good time. This is where I'm actually going to end the vlog. If you have watched this vlog up until this point, love you down, queen. Put a emoji, wave emoji, like a beach wave emoji, to know that you've logged in up until this point. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Mwah. Bye. Guys, I'm about to watch one of my most anticipated movies, and I don't know how to act. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm about